I'll tell you, after you start using this thing, you're gonna go on vacation and you're gonna be like, what? After years of living in my house, I've done 5 easy upgrades that I would not want to live without. Number 5 is going to give you peace of mind no matter where you're at. Number 1, light up light switches. Don't you hate it when you're fumbling in the dark and you can't find the light switch? Well, they make these paddle switches that when they're in the opposition, they have a light in the upper sector here, so you know where to push. This is great for like when you're in the kitchen, you know, in the middle of the night, and want to turn the light on next to the sink. There it is. Number 2, dimmable light switches. So I'm not going to go into the science, but basically you're supposed to have bright lights in the morning and soft dim lights in the evening when you're getting ready to go to sleep. So this is really important in the bathroom, right? You wake up early in the morning with bright lights, which you can set with the dimmable light switches, and it's great. It wakes you up. And then you can slide those down at night and have nice soft light when you're brushing your teeth. I would highly recommend the Leviton versions. I have one Leviton and one not Leviton, and you can see the difference in how easy they slide. Number 3, a bidet toilet seat. All right, if you know, you know. If you don't know, you're missing out on a little slice of heaven. They come in all different price ranges. You can get one for $20. You can get one for $600. Just try a cheap one and see if you like it. I would highly recommend the Alpha Bidet. Comes with all the bells and whistles, you know. When you go on vacation, you're gonna be missing that thing more than your family and your pets. Number 4, a whole house water filtration system. All right, maybe not the easiest to install, but I do have a video on how to install one with step-by-step instructions. But this is going to improve your quality of life because you're not drinking water with chemicals in it, and you're not showering with water with chemicals in it. All right, number 5 is a game changer, floodlight security cameras. They come in all types, from hardwired to battery powered to solar powered even. And just the deterrence of having them up there and people seeing them and having like a blinking light on them, like in the Eufy security cameras, is peace of mind, because I always can check on my phone on the app what's going on around my house. In most of these, you can set different zones within the frame for motion sensing. So if you're getting a package delivered, or if your neighborhood cat is coming to visit, you're going to know about it, whether you're at home or you're 1,000 miles away on vacation. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments what things have you put in your house that have changed your life. See you next time.